Hello, everyone. I am Lorena, and I want to share a story about how I found joy in the simplest things. When I was in high school, I loved physical activities and spent a lot of time outdoors. I always feel peace when I was surrounded by nature. My love for outdoor activities and dancing made me unique, and I was loved by those around me. Looking back, I realized that happiness came from appreciating the little things in life.